Hi guys, today we are going to unbox Redmi K20 Pro. I bought it from the stores for rupees 26,000 and it is specified as 6 GB RAM and 128 GB internal memory. Let me unbox it and show it to you. I bought it a PL white color and it looks damn good guys. The box also consists of a fast charger and Type-C cable. Let me play PUBG and show you the performance of the phone. Let's check whether it's a flash killer or not.
A few minutes later.
Let me also play and show the Modern Combat 5.
A few
It's a
minutes
high-end graphic
later.
game.
You okay?
Yes, Dad.
A few
Let me click
moments
some of the
later.
pics from the phone. I'll leave the link in the description to buy the product. If you like the video, please subscribe and share.
A few minutes later.